Looking for the best caulk guns for your next project? Whether you need precision, power, or ease of use, we've got you covered. Here are the top caulk guns to help you tackle any job with efficiency and control. If you need a caulk gun that can handle thick adhesives and high viscosity sealants, the Newborn 375 XSP XTRA Superpower Rod is a solid pick. With a 26:1 thrust ratio, it delivers effortless dispensing, even for heavy-duty materials. The heat-treated piston rod and friction plate ensure long-lasting performance, while the alloy handle with a comfort grip minimizes fatigue on big jobs. One standout feature is the revolving frame, which makes it easier to apply a smooth bead around corners and tight spaces. The easy-release starburst reverse-punched gripping plate keeps operation smooth and jam-free. Whether you're sealing windows, working on construction projects, or handling professional-grade adhesive applications, this tool is built to last. At just over $56, it's a strong performer for the price. If you're serious about caulking and need precision and durability, this is one to consider. The Newborn OCTOGUN 930GTD is a solid pick for anyone tackling caulking projects. With a 10:1 thrust ratio, it's great for applying latex and silicone sealants with smooth, controlled flow. The drip-free design keeps messes to a minimum, and the Gator Trigger trademark grip makes long jobs easier on your hands. What really stands out, though, are the built-in extras. You get a spout cutter, a seal puncture tool, and a finishing tool to ensure a clean, professional-looking bead every time. The smooth hex rod keeps dispensing effortless, and the steel half-barrel frame adds durability without extra weight. Whether you're sealing windows, updating a bathroom, or handling general repairs, this caulk gun makes the job easier. At just $12, it's affordable enough to keep in your toolbox, and reliable enough that you'll be glad you did. When it comes to versatile caulking guns, the WORKPRO caulking gun stands out with its adjustable thrust ratio. You can switch between 9:1 for light acrylics and 18:1 for tougher adhesives, making it a great all-around tool. Its rotating barrel helps you maneuver into tight spots, and the smooth round rod means less effort on every squeeze. We like the drip controllable feature. Flip the switch, and you can stop or maintain constant pressure depending on your needs. The ergonomic grip is another plus, keeping your hands comfortable through longer projects. Whether you're sealing up windows or laying down construction adhesive, this gun gets the job done without the hassle. At just $18.99, it's an affordable pick that punches well above its weight. Cordless caulking guns offer a major upgrade in convenience, and DEWALT's 20-volt max DCE 560B is a solid choice. With a variable speed trigger and speed dial, you get precise control over the flow rate, whether you're applying adhesives or sealant. The anti-drip feature retracts the plunging rod after releasing the trigger, keeping cleanup to a minimum. Its quick connect system makes swapping canister sizes easy, and the rotating cartridge holder lets you maintain control in tight spots. The built-in LED light improves visibility in dimly lit work areas, while the integrated hang hook gives you a handy storage option. At just 4.6 pounds, excluding battery, it's light enough for extended use without fatigue. Just keep in mind this is a bare tool. You'll need to grab a 20-volt max battery separately. You can pick it up for around $195, and it's a great choice for pros and DIYers alike. The JES M26S caulking gun is built for high-thrust applications, delivering a 26:1 ratio that makes it a great choice for thicker adhesives and sealant. It features a 360-degree rotating cradle barrel for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, and a heavy-duty metal frame for durability. You also get a built-in puncture pin and a ladder hook for added convenience. Just keep in mind that this is a manual caulk gun, so while it provides excellent power and control, it's not an automatic option. It works with standard 10-ounce cartridges and is designed for professional-grade results. At $26.25, it's an affordable pick for those needing extra power in their caulking project.